Hi everybody and welcome to the High Street Sketch Course with Urban Sketch Course that we put together for you, and we are in Tatton Hall. Now let me tell you where Tatton Hall is. It's a really cute little village in the Cheshire countryside. It's about 30-40 miles away from Hoylake. It's not far from Chester. We're in the middle of winter. The weather is beautiful. It's really cold, but the sun is out and the light is just permeating throughout all these buildings and it looks gorgeous. Now these workshops that we put together for you, we've done them in the studio. They're all studio based because it's too cold to be outside. My fingers will drop off. So these are all recorded in the studio, but we've done some footage on location. Some of the footage on location is walking into scene to show you the detail and showing you the finished picture in front of the subject. Now all the sketches, like all the other courses that we've done for you, are broken down into lots of manageable steps, little chunks. What we've done differently for this particular course is we've slightly changed the order of things and also some of the materials. So step one, for example, is done in pencil, which was a little bit difficult for me, and I did get really stressed about using a pencil. I've not used one for a long time, but it actually ended up working out really well, because when we put the pen on top of the pencil, we then rubbed the pencil out to reveal a really interesting sketch. I mean, it was still an outline drawing, but it just looked a little bit different to what we normally do. So using pencil is something that makes this course different. Also, we did a stage of detail before the watercolour stage. Then we did tone work and then 2 more steps of detail. So the actual process itself that you'll see is changed ever so slightly, and we feel it makes it a bit more manageable. Now, another big thing about this course is that all the subjects are in really close proximity. And you'll see some clips later on of me walking all around the village of Tatton Hall. And you can see how all 6 subjects are only, like, say, 100 metres apart. And the thing about that is it hopefully makes you appreciate that sometimes it's a wonderful little local journey to go on, to capture lots and lots of subjects in a close proximity. Also, what makes this course quite unique is that all the subjects that we've chosen for you are typical things that you would find on the high streets. Like, there's a village hall, there's also an old barn, an old cottage, there's a church. Now the church is kind of slightly off the high street. There's a shop, and there's also a fish and chip shop as well, which we call the Chippy. Now they're all kind of typical things, ordinary things, and the views are all front elevations. So what we're doing with the front elevations is we're then going in deeper and deeper into the storytelling, capturing all the detail to bring the whole thing alive. So initially, it's a very simple composition, very simple structure. Could be a square, could be a rectangle, could be a little bit of perspective, but then within that we're going deeper and deeper and deeper and noticing things and finding little tiny things that can be so inspiring and can be so rewarding when you actually capture them in terms of a sketch. So welcome to Tatton Hall, the latest course that we put together for you with Urban Sketch Course.